What's up everyone, Bo HD here. Hope you guys are doing well. Now today we have two brand new mid-range smartphones from the company called BLU. Maybe you've heard of them. This is the Vivo X5 and the Vivo XL5. For $100 and $130 respectively, you get a large HD display, 13 megapixel main camera, 64 gigabytes of internal storage with 3 gigabytes of RAM. There are fingerprint scanners on the rear and Android 9.0 running out of the box. Basically what it comes down to is whether you want a larger display with a notch or you're fine with a smaller display with slightly thicker bezels but a lower price, which is the case with the X5. In this video, we're going to go ahead and unbox and take a first look at the Vivo XL5. But if you'd like to see our dedicated unboxing and first look video of the X5, click on the link above or in the description. Let's get started. So the XL5 comes packaged in a box nearly identical to the X5, and it too features a lot of goodies inside. First, we have the XL5 itself tucked away in a plastic bag. Underneath, we have a silicone protective case. There's a pair of earphones with removable tips and music playback controls, a micro USB charging cable, SIM card ejector tool, and a USB wall wart. We have some paperwork, including a blue sticker and 2 screen protectors to choose from. Unlike the X5, there's no battery we have to install. It's tucked away underneath the hood. But there is a faux leather plastic rear cover that's very similar, and a SIM card tray for accessing the SIM slots and micro SD card slot for expandable storage. The phone, I would say it feels considerably more premium than the X5 as it features what appears to be a metal frame. There's also a rear-facing fingerprint scanner for security. The display measures in at 6.3 inches and it features a 720 by 1520 resolution with 267 pixels per square inch. Even though there are more vertical pixels and less bezels than the X5, the pixel density is still the same. It's not super crisp or detailed by any means, but the colors are pretty nice and vibrant, and the brightness is pretty solid at 420 nits. I will say though, the phone does look considerably more modern than the X5 thanks to the teardrop notch, the smaller bezels, and the more pronounced rounded corners of the display. What you won't have, however, since the bezels are so slim, is a front-facing flash. I don't think that'll be a deal breaker, but it's worth mentioning. The phone runs a lightweight skin on top of Android 9.0 Pie with very little bloatware. There are some reskinned icons and added blue features, but that's really about it. The octa-core ARM processor with 3 gigabytes of RAM, it helps keep the phone running fairly smooth overall with minimal lag and stuttering when opening up applications and swiping through menus. There's a 13 megapixel main selfie camera, which is up from the 8 megapixel selfie camera in the X5. The 13 megapixel main camera is the same resolution as the X5. However, here we also have a depth sensor to enable a portrait mode with milky bokeh effects. Also worth mentioning is the large 4,000 milliamp hour battery under the hood that should help keep the phone running a full day or maybe even 2 with moderate to heavy usage. So the XL5, it retails for only $130, and the company is offering a $20 off special launch deal for those who are interested in saving even more money. If I had to pick between the two devices launched today, I would recommend this phone as it offers a more modern design and slightly higher end specs that should help it last longer. It's also only $30 more or $10 more than the X5 if you manage to take advantage of the $20 off launch deal. It works with T-Mobile, AT&T, and many other GSM carriers here in the US, and it's available on Amazon. I'll place a link to the Amazon listing in the description if you want to check it out. As always, I'm Bo HD from PhoneDog.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you right back here in the next one. See ya.